Following the cleaning process, the rapeseed undergoes crushing, which reduces the size of the seeds to improve oil extraction efficiency. The crushed material is then cooked in a steam cooker to adjust moisture content and enhance oil yield. After cooking, the material is pressed using screw presses or expellers. The crude oil obtained from pressing requires further refining to meet food-grade standards. Refining involves deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization processes, each utilizing specialized equipment such as centrifuges, filters, and heat exchangers. These steps remove impurities like gums, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorous compounds, resulting in clear, odorless. In addition to these core components, the production line may also include auxiliary equipment such as conveyors, storage tanks, and packaging machines to streamline operations and ensure efficient handling of materials. Modern rapeseed oil processing lines often incorporate automation and control systems to optimize performance, reduce labor costs, and maintain consistent product quality. Together,